Grok is one of the most popular AI chatbots. Deeply integrated with X Grok, it is designed to let you perform a number of tasks. By default, X automatically uses your interactions and inputs to train and improve Grok AI. However, if you are concerned about the privacy of your personal information, you can choose to stop Grok AI from using your data for training. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the X app on your device. After that, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now select Settings and Support. Then you have to choose Settings and Privacy option. Next up, you have to scroll down a bit and choose Privacy and Safety. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Grok. And finally, you have to turn off the switch next to Allow your posts as well as interactions, inputs, and results with Grok to be used for training and fine-tuning, and then confirm the action. And that's pretty much it. Going forward, X will no longer use your personal information and interactions to train and improve Grok. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.